Hello, everyone. This is Jay from Tiny Wonderland, and this is not your normal intro to a Tiny Wonderland episode. And the reason for that is because the intro corrupted when I was filming it, and although I tried to retrieve it several times, I was not successful in doing so. This is a full disclaimer that the following episode may contain content unsuitable for young individuals, as well as things that generally wouldn't be considered PC for the general public. This is a completely uncensored interview, and honestly, I wish more people in the world were like the man we're about to meet. So I hope you guys enjoy this.
We're going in a hole, hang on! Okay. That's okay, we're in a hole. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for Cargo Trailer Conversion, or Cargo Trailer Camper, or Cargo Trailer Crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A mom to 17 children, I would thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
Leave it in that state, you need to let them know that this is where I left it.
It's kind of obvious, I can see it.
Yeah,
yeah.
But you never pass something to someone else without full divulge. You don't give.
No, I would say, look, this hit a carport.
Yeah.
It notched it, and then we sealed the roof,
Most of us that are nomadic already, that would buy something, or even like a starter nomadic.
Yeah.
Just sell it to them a little bit cheaper. Tell them to bring that other money you saved them and come see me, and I'll fix it.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a frame on the roof.
Yeah,
it's not even that big. It's not even a structural thing.
It just needs to be.
It just got knocked. It just got knocked in. Oh no, it's not broken.
Oh no.
It's literally like it's the beam that makes the nose. It's pushed. It's pushed in like about that much. That's it. Yeah, I hit it with a hammer. It didn't move, but...
You remember we were talking about on the outside of this bus earlier, I don't like the idea of cutting the hat channel.
You told me yes to hat channels to make your windows.
This one's still exposed. You can see it there.
Oh, is this a hat channel?
Yeah.
So a hat channel is just basically a rib.
It's one of the ribs.
It's a rib. I never heard the term hat channel, but that's a rib.
They're made in a press. But these ones on a bus, they're extruded. They extrude these into one ring and then they bolt them together they're all one piece.
Because there are some in the metal shop. There are some large.
Yeah.
They're tubes like this big and they're angled. They came off of Brad's Van Hooley.
Okay.
And I think those are
the brown ones.
Yes, those are hat channels. I think, right?
Those are hat channels.
They're huge though. They're big.
Those are bluebirds, I think. Bluebirds are the big
Van Hooley. They're Van Hooley. It's a foreign bus, Van Hool. It came off of the. Yeah. You saw them. They're like the color of your bus. Yep.
As far as the like school buses, you got your Bluebirds, your Amtran, your Thomas. I don't like Thomases.
You don't like a I love Thomases.
I like the newer Tom. What I don't like about the Thomases is on the roof they have the exterior strength channel. The Bluebird and the Amtran and Ward, they all have it inside. It's inside the bus, inside of the interior piece.
Okay.
So there's on the exterior of a lot of the older, and you can even look at Sunshine's bus next door to me. They've removed it because they realized they were stupid by doing it.
Right.
So there's a stretch of years like Alex and April's bus.
Yes.
There, you know how on the top they have the channels that run down the top?
I've never been over to their bus. I've only seen it on Instagram.
We'll look at it, but on the Thomas buses, they have like a string. It's an exterior rib.
Okay.
That runs on either side of the top, and it runs like here on the exterior of the bus all the way down. And what I don't like about them is for like times like right now where my bus is sitting like this.
Okay.
You can feel it. Like when you pull my refrigerator out and let it go, it'll fall back in.
Yeah. We didn't even get to your kitchen.
Yeah, 'cause we're tilting like this.
Yeah.
And in that case, the water on the outside of the bus when it rains like it did last night on a Thomas will sit against that exterior rib because it sits up this high.
So it'll collect?
It collects, and where water collects, it finds a way in. When it finds a way in, you have a leak.
Right.
They have leaks on their emergency exits. I hope to try and figure out how to fix that for them.
So you're saying before you put this roof on, or this?
No. On the exterior of the older Thomas buses, and anybody who owns a Thomas bus is looking at me going,
yeah.
The water collects and it sits up there. It'll mold up there. If your bus isn't perfectly sitting right, or you have to get your bus to sit to where it'll run off. Otherwise, it'll collect and it'll maintain. And it'll sit there. And where water sits, it's going to find a way in.
You mentioned...
Water made the goddamn Grand Canyon. It's going to make its way into your bus. I don't like a Thomas.
Okay. You mentioned in the beginning of the interview that you were putting something on the roof to coat it for leaks.
Yeah.
Did you not, when you made this bus, did you not, like, before this was all applied and everything up in here was put on, did you sound it for leaks before?
Oh yeah, this thing's soundproof. It's bulletproof.
Well, I'm saying, but you're applying the bus coat. I'm just curious what. Okay. Just another.
I'm gonna put it down, and then I'm gonna put solar on top of it, and then it's gonna be hard to get to. So I'm gonna put the bus coat on for added insurance.
Okay. Now, are you gonna mount the panels directly to the roof?
My solar guy is Jonathan Roberts.
Yep.
He has his own rail system that he's created. Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm gonna let him do his shit.
Exactly, like I'm just gonna let him do it.
It hasn't blown off any of the buses he's put it on. It's not going.
Now I notice when I put my hand up here, it's cold on this.
Cold.
So but this is insulated, right?
It's cold in here because I had the max air fans on.
Oh, okay, yeah. And those are supposed to be really good.
Yeah, I had one of the windows open and I had the max air fans freaking rolling because the Alaskans came over here for a little while and we hung out and turned the hourglass.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I was trying to.
Yeah, you're trying to ventilate. I totally understand. Okay, they didn't want me walking through a cloud.
It's a lot easier to see me without all the smoke.
At least he's honest.
Fuck it. I have a full stove.
Yeah, saw that.
The walk through real quick.
Yeah.
We've been just
You
kind of walked in. We got to the tub.
We made it to the tub.
This was the whole reason I raised the roof. This was the whole reason I raised the floor.
And then you lowered the tub.
Here, walk back a little bit. I'll pull this back.
Oh wow, yes. Let's see.
So there's actually hatches under the floor as you come in.
Do we have any light in here so we can see?
Yeah, I got light.
Yeah, these things aren't the best in the dark. Oh yeah, wow. Oh my.
Daytime.
That is.
I lived in a camper for a while. Screw shitty lighting.
Wow.
I've got big hatches in the floor so I can keep things.
And these aren't little pieces of wood either.
Nah, it's 3/4 plywood.
You got something there. Is that an amp?
That's the amp for my bass guitar that I don't know how to play. I'm hoping to hang out with my buddy James Austin and learn how to play bass. He's supposed to teach me. I'm gonna hide a little. That's sex toys over there. Y'all need to see that shit.
It's all personal stuff. We get it.
Fuck it. I don't give a crap.
We will look.
I got all sorts of stuff. I got bedding under there. Okay, so we'll get to that in a minute, but this will make sense here in a few minutes. This water bladder. This is.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
This is the oh shit, my tanks fail.
Yeah.
It'll keep it from getting to where I have to redo the floor and stuff.
Okay.
I have a fail safe I'll show you on the other side on how I fix that if my water alarms go off. Because I just have basic water alarms in here. They run on batteries. I check them every once in a while to make sure they work. And when they do work, they're effing annoying.
Oh, bad.
The tub has a P-trap currently. I think it's failing because I'm sitting at an angle real bad.
Are you using a HEPFO?
Huh?
HEPFO? They call them HEPFO. It's like a thing everyone buys. It's a HEPFO trap. It's a HEPFO valve. It's supposed to be.
No, I don't know.
He doesn't even know what that is.
No, I'm pretty
low tech.
I'm pretty low tech, which means it doesn't break very often.
But it's good that it doesn't. Yeah, I was wondering what that was.
You hook it on here, and then you stick it to the stove, so that this cabinet.
I didn't know if that was some kind of hidden sex toy or not.
I've been hit in the head by this door at least 7 times.
Oh yeah, this has got some weight on it.
It hurts. It hurts when it hits you in the head.
It's a good idea to have. I like that. And you got a bunch of seeds down there.
No, those are beans. I make beans and rice from time to time.
Okay.
So rather than having to go to the store, they're cheap, so I just keep them in mason jars because they last forever.
There you go.
And whatever, they're easy. I have probably 10 or 15 pounds of rice in here just because. Trash can.
Oh yeah, check that out. Oh wow, and recycle.
That way I can burn the burnable stuff.
Yeah. We just dig through our trash can and pull all the burnable stuff out.
Well, these are because
Yeah. Okay.
I have a really overactive mucus bullshit going
Happens.
on. It's like congestive sinusitis, the military calls it.
Okay.
So I snot a lot, and the paper towels are really actually cheaper than Kleenex somehow.
Oh yeah, you can get a whole roll for 50 cents at Walmart.
And then I have bag storage down there.
Oh yeah, I see that.
It goes all the way back, so if you push too hard, shit gets lost.
Yeah.
And I have Walmart bags stuffed in there because I have a friend that does Plarn, where they make yarn. Plarn. They take plastic bags and they turn it into yarn. They make mats out of it, like entry mats and shit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. But it's a good way to recycle
Good idea.
Walmart bags and shit. Yeah.
They make them into
There's enough different colored shopping bags.
Oh yeah.
If you're real fucking creative, you can make shit. I'm not that fucking.
Oh come on.
I'm creative.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
That's not mine. That's the lady who does Plarn.
Oh okay.
I burn the shit out of those because they're not wool. Because I'm fucking terrible.
So this is from a plastic bag?
No, this is actually cotton that she sews, but her hands are getting bad, so it's hard for her to do it.
I got you.
But
And there's your refrigerator. It looks like
the refrigerator. I think I've got cooking supplies in there. I've got normal kitchen bullshit.
Yeah.
Bags
Up the wazoo. Oh yeah.
There. That doesn't open. There's a safe behind there.
Got it.
It'll bite you, and there's just a fireproof box behind there.
Hey, that's a good idea to have. Yeah.
If shit ever caught on fire, it'd still be there.
Yeah. And then you got
the Ice Co company. These refrigerators, these side by side.
Yeah. They just take up so much space.
Just put them in your dresser.
If you have a dresser.
I can put it in a dresser.
Yeah.
The build, I owned the dresser already. This came from my second wife.
Okay.
And she was lucky enough to leave me with the whole set.
I never asked you about that the other night. What that was? Yeah, I was curious.
It's the bedroom set. My second wife gave me this.
Okay.
I told her I put it in the bus, and she was pretty excited about it.
You guys still communicate?
Oh, we're close friends.
You should take pictures of it and show it to her.
Yeah, she loves it. She'll love this when I send it to her.
But was this already open, or did you have to do? Looks like you had to do some work there.
This had a center down the middle. It had 2 drawers here, and it had.
I imagine that. Yeah, it was a 6 set. Okay.
Yeah,
yep.
And then I chopped it all up. And this will actually open. It's just a safe back here. Nothing exciting in here.
Oh yeah, it's just.
I got my actual hard copy road map.
Oh yeah, look at this. He's got maps. Real maps.
They're just random.
People don't know what maps are anymore though.
Ones.
Yeah, but everyone uses Google.
Yeah, but what happens when fucking Google doesn't work?
Or when it's dead.
Or when my phone decides to drop GPS signal, I pull over and I have these.
Oh,
and the other cool thing about these is it tells you the low bridges, folks.
Will that show us where we are? I bet it will, huh?
Yeah, pretty close. Yeah, you can show us. I can almost nail it.
Are we alphabetical?
Yeah, it's an alphabetical. G-A.
Valdosta. There's Augusta. Here's
Savannah.
All right, there's Brunswick.
Brunswick, we're here.
We are We're close. We're a little bit over, I think.
Jessup's right there.
Jessup, and then we're
We're closer. to
right here. We're right about,
Mayday or
yeah,
whatever.
we're right there. Yeah, there's 169. We're right on the Altima. Somewhere around there. We're somewhere around there, guys. We won't, you want to know where the homestead is. You got to talk to Brett.
Yeah, because I ain't telling you.
Yeah, we're not, no address there.
This his house. Him and the mailman, yo.
Yep.
Gotta talk to that guy.
But yeah, that's a good idea to have. And then,
Yeah, if you and I've got two of them. I've got the motor carriers one.
which is probably more detailed or
They're
back roads more.
No, they're both detailed. I just got it because I'm extra tall.
Okay. Oh yes,
you
that's
can-
probably got some kind of height warnings in it and weight warnings in
Yeah,
it.
that kind of stuff. And then these are both the new ones.
Wow.
I haven't even opened this one.
Yeah, it looks like it's still in the
I've
bag.
been using this one mostly. This one's actually really nice. Here, grand unveiling. I haven't even opened it.
Wow, let's check it out.
This is like a $90 map.
That's Baker Beach. I've been there before. That's a beautiful beach.
No.
Lot of nude women there. but these, well, I'm telling you right
I'm
now,
going to Speedo, baby.
these waves will knock you out. They are so hard.
I won't have a Speedo on very long then.
No, I've lost my bathing suit 3 times in that place. The channel is unbelievable.
Straight out that bitch like you own it.
Yeah, I've done that. I've come out of it without.
So the cool thing about these ones is, and this big truck one is, they have the bridge heights.
Okay.
So you know not to go down certain roads.
So they'll say like.
In the front of this one, I think it has the bridge heights on the yellow pages.
List of maps, hazardous materials, tractor trailer inspection, road construction, national weight and size, maybe?
This is beneficial for anybody who runs a bus,
Yeah.
because anybody who's raised is extra tall, so you need to know where not to go so you don't hurt your bus or a bridge, because if
Or
you
other
do,
people.
oftentimes you're going to get charged for the damage you've done.
That can get expensive fast.
Yeah. Sunshine is a over the road trucker when she's not in her bus.
Yes,
So
you were telling me about that.
She knows the rules and regs too.